Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Now today we're going to try something different, and it's going to be chocolate chip cookies on the Traeger. Let's fire up the Traeger. Alright, so yeah, you heard me right. Chocolate chip cookies on the Traeger grill. We're going to smoke these chocolate chip cookies. Now, I was a little iffy on doing chocolate chip cookies, any sort of desserts on the Traeger, but a lot of people like them. So I told the kids, hey, I want to try some chocolate chip cookies. They were like, yeah. I was like, all right, I'm gonna put them on the Traeger, and they were like, what? So I said, just give them a try, and let's go. I'll give it a try because I'm a little iffy too. So what I heard was, I seen 300 degrees, 10 to 15 minutes. So I've never done them. I'm just gonna go with 300 degrees and then just keep an eye on the time. So that being said, I got here some chocolate chip dough, cookie dough, that we got at Papa Murphy's. They sell cookie dough and the cookies are really good. So we got this. So you guys can use any chocolate chip cookie dough you guys want to use. It's all good. So chocolate chip cookie dough, what we're going to do is we're going to make little balls of cookie dough. Just like that. Little balls of cookie dough. We're going to make quite a few of these. So you guys pretty much know the rest. I'm going to do the rest on camera, and then we'll be back when this is all ready. Alright, now that we have the cookie dough rolled up, don't forget to like the video and a little subscribe. And I'm going to go turn on the Traeger, 300 degrees. We'll be back. Alright, the Traeger is at 300 degrees. They're ready to go to put these cookies in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep an eye on these because I don't know exactly the time. They just really don't tell you a lot in the videos, and I'm trying to give you guys step by step. So I'm going to give a timer. I'll check them every 5 minutes, and then I'll let you know exactly how many time, what's the total time. We'll be back. Okay, so they've been there for 10 minutes total. Now let's see how they're looking. Man, they're looking pretty good. I would say maybe let's do another 2 minutes, and let's see how they look after that. Alright, we're back. 14 minutes total time. 14 minutes. They're almost there. Almost there. I say I would push it another minute or two, and we'll be back. Alright, so 16 minutes now. 16 minutes total cooking time. And I think they're ready to come out. Let's take them out. Alright, so now we're done. We're gonna let these cool down a little bit, and there's a couple of things we're gonna go over to make sure when you guys do it, it comes out good. So before we do that, we'll do a quick recap of what I did to kind of help you guys out. Okay, so now we're going to see how it is. So here's the cookie. Pretty good. Pretty good. So before I taste it, if it's your first time doing this, always keep an eye on it for your first time. For me, it took 16 minutes at 300 degrees. But as we all know that have Traegers or pellet grills, the temperature always goes up or is down depending on the weather. So you know how much your Traeger goes. For me, I know when I put it at 300 degrees, it's going to go up to 310 or 290, 295, 305, and go like from that range. And you guys, Traegers knows. But if it's your first time, put it in there, 300 degrees, 14 minutes, for 16 minutes, and it'll come out like this. But if you do it more thicker, like, you know, bigger balls, because I saw a video on the Traeger, Traeger did one, they were saying 375 for 20 to 25 minutes, but they were using balls of dough. So it all comes down to how the sizes of your cookies, if it's going to take longer or shorter. Now, if also what comes in play here is how you like your cookies. You like them a little bit harder, a little bit softer, then that's where you're going to have to decide a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. Simple. For me, the way these look, I would say 16 minutes, 300 degrees. Maybe next time it might take 15, maybe 14, because I'm not opening the lid on the Traeger as much as I did this one because it was my first time. So I had a look. But now you guys know. So let's give it a try. Boy, I'm a little worried here. No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It doesn't have a lot of that smoke flavor, but it's there. Not hard or heavy, like a heavy, oh man, you know, like when you do your meats and you have that smoke ring. No, this one just has a hint of smoke. So I would say not bad. Not bad at all. I'm looking into maybe doing an apple pie soon too. Try that out. A lot of people do pies. I'll try it out too. You guys, I want to know what you guys like to do. What kind of dessert you guys have tried on the Traeger or want to try on the Traeger, just to see what you guys, kind of dessert you guys like. So I think this is it for this video. This is pretty good. Came out really good. So that's it. Make sure you give a like on the video. We're at 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. We're halfway there to 1,000. A little bit more of a push. And we'll be there. We'll see you guys next time.